Good morning. Guess where I am? I'm in Muizenberg, one of the top surf meccas in South Africa. Absolutely stunner of a day. Check this out. Welcome to another episode of Dream Cycling all over the world. This is Ingo here. Today we're going to do a bit more of exploring the beautiful Cape Peninsula. We're going down all the way around the corner. You see that beauty? That's where we're heading today. Let's see what the day brings. Join me on the ride. What a dream ride this is! All along the coast here of the famous False Bay here in South Africa, shark, whale territory. Absolutely spectacular. From Muizenberg all the way to St. James, further to Kalk Bay, Fishhook, Simonstown, and then all the way up here. I'm in the middle of the climb of the Smith Winkel. Not too long, 3 k's, but it gets you sweating. It's warm, 25 degrees. Look at this. Have you seen anything like this before? To all fellow cycle buddies all over the world, come to South Africa. This is the place to ride your bike. Folks, let's continue the journey. Let's continue the little climb of Smith Winkel, 3 kilometers. Let's do it. Join me. Last bit of the Smith Winkel. Tell you, been here many times along the Cape Peninsula, but never fails to impress me. You see this little fence over there? That's the toll station if you want to enter the Cape Point National Park. Big troop of baboons. Good old ostrich. The black ones, they are the males, and the brownish, the females. This is the gentleman from the baboon patrol. Are they naughty? They are not listening now, no? Ah. Tons of baboons here. Check it out, all little ones. That guy sitting over there. Yeah, if you enter the national park, you even find mountain zebras and box antelopes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Atlantic side of the beautiful Cape Peninsula. Misty cliffs. Stay tuned, more beautiful beaches and bays are coming up shortly. This is the magnificent Noordhoek beach. For those new to the channel, obviously Noordhoek Beach, when you're in this area, you are usually cycling up or down. Chapman's Peak, iconic. Different angle. See the surface down there. Beautiful for horseback riding or just simply walk along the beach. Okay, let's do a bit of climbing. Chapman's Peak. Now we are approaching the Atlantic seaboard. This is Landudno. Guys, this is the final destination of today's adventure, Camps Bay. Hope you enjoyed this ride along the coast of the Cape Peninsula, Cape of Good Hope. One of the best trips one can do on a bike. Absolutely beautiful. Thanks for being a part of this journey. See you soon somewhere on the road. Meanwhile, don't forget, keep on pedaling. Bye bye. P.S. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Would love to hear from you. By the way, our next ride will be in the West Coast National Park. Some call it the Caribbean of South Africa. Right, now I can wrap up this video. Good old cone in my hand. Beautiful Olympic-sized swimming pool here in the middle of Sea Point. Absolutely beautiful. Well, I better hurry up. It's all melting. It's so hot here.